A stereotype is a popular belief or generalization about something. And let's face it, India attracts a lot of stereotypes, much to the annoyance of its own citizens. Yet, India truly is a country of contrasts and contradictions. It's often said about India that where something is true, the opposite will also be true. Let us take a look at what Team Delanters have in their plates for us.
ये देश है वीर जवानों का, अलबेलों का, मस्तानों का। इस देश का यारो होए, इस देश का यारो क्या कहना।
हालत देखिए इस देश की। चुप कर यार प्राची।
सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा, भूलना नहीं महिमा।
तो ये क्या है फिर?
You come from a tribal community. You must still be wearing clothes made up of leaves and fur.
Oh, you're a South Indian. Do you speak Tamil or Malayalam? Oh wait, aren't all the languages the same?
Are you even Indian? तुम चाइना से हो, right?
Oh, you're from UP. रुको, हिंदी में समझाती हूँ तुम्हें।
तुम लोग बड़े लाउड और शो ऑफ होते हो ना, सरदार होकर ड्रिंक नहीं करते हो।
इंडिया और पाकिस्तान की मैच हो तो तुम पाकिस्तान को सपोर्ट करते होगे ना?
कोई भी देश परफेक्ट नहीं होता, उसे बेहतर बनाना पड़ता है। This content might hurt some of your privileged souls. छोटी छोटी चीजें हम रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी में कुछ भी यूं ही बोल देते हैं बिना सोचे समझे। The problem with stereotypes is not that they aren't true, but that they are incomplete. Team Delanters is here today to show you how stereotypes can make one story the only story. From being used to identify a group in social situations to being used to discriminate, stereotypes are just like credit cards. It's easy to acquire the debt, but it's hard to get rid of it. This theory says that the dark-skinned Dravidians were invaded by fair-skinned Aryans. Britishers loved this story and went on with it, and Indians are still obsessed with fair skin. The linguistic divide made it worse. States have their own stereotypes. The old ideologies of caste systems are still rampant today. क्या आदिवासी जैसे कपड़े पहने हैं, क्या धोबी जैसे कपड़े धो रहा है? Such caste slurs are used freely, even though they are banned. And essentially, we pick up stereotypes from around the world, from our families, from our friends, from media, and children show evidence of it from an age of 4. We need to be a bit more careful.
ये सब तो मैं भी बोल देते हैं, nobody means it. हंस लिया करना थोड़ा, है ना चिराग?
We laugh and make jokes about our cultural differences, but there is a limit. Our short video is a compilation of few ignorant comments. Stereotype first turns into firm belief and then into argument used to justify crime. How is this even right? During the pandemic, Northeast Indian people were abused, spat on, and even called corona. Is this even right? Children being taught to discriminate based on skin color at a very young age is nothing but trauma. Facing this stereotype can lower one's self-esteem and leave you hating yourself. Depression comes creeping in, and the only way out seems to be to end one's life. India is a country where mental health itself has a stereotype. It's not necessary that someone with mental illness looks crazy. It can be invisible, hidden behind a smiling face. Our survey is proof that majority of population faces cultural discrimination, and we need to be there for them.
पर टीवी में तो ऐसे ही दिखाते हैं ना। कल तपस्विनी, हमने भी तो मिर्जापुर देखी ना। यूपी के लोग ऐसे ही तो होते होंगे।
नहीं प्राची, तो गलत है। Media is not the only source shaping stereotypes, but believe me, it's a significant one. It sometimes knowingly or unknowingly creates a false image in our mind. We all are familiar with how movies and web series have promoted or visualized some communities or regions, like a Northeastern being shown as a watchman saying Shobji, many matrimonial ads portrayed which focuses on the minute details of men and women. Songs are no different, as this one goes like Madala Adala Bigad Gaya, showing how being gay is wrong. And the most famous news channels always ahead in spreading their propaganda, no matter how it may create division. Some most renowned actors have also promoted stereotype like this one wherein transgender are misrepresented. And last but not the least, oh my god, who isn't aware of this so-called harmless TV serials? So abhi samajh mein aaya Prachi?
Why are we always attracted to the negative side? Reverse the coin and talk about the other side of the media. We have started adapting movies of different languages, which shows how theater is trying to accept different cultures. Indians come together at the time of protest, irrespective of what religion they follow or who they worship. Why don't we appreciate the media when they show how India is different in a million things, yet similar? Social media is becoming a tool to raise awareness. Whether it's a presentation of a gay character in a movie or an ad displaying a male person doing work in the kitchen, we have started getting rid of the societal stereotypes. Why don't we focus on how media is trying to get everybody's attention to empower people about culture? Ramanpreet, at least tu to meri side le le.
I can back you up, Prachi. Indian culture is like a mighty river originating in high snow mountains, fed by thousands of streams and rivers. Makar Sankranti, Baisakhi, Onam, Bihu are all different names with similar significance, celebrating harvest. The big fat Indian wedding, be it a North Indian or a South Indian one, don't we all enjoy it? The goal is to celebrate love. Do you all remember the times when we used to sit together, eating each other's tiffin and having the best times of our lives? Did it occur to us that this tiffin is from this culture or that culture? No, we just enjoyed it. Art, literature, theater is something that unites us and it is something that we can relate to. The survey conducted also resonates with the fact how we all love to enjoy each other's culture. The only way to deal with stereotypes is by breaking the silence. Street plays, street arts have been on a rise and trying to bring a significant difference in society by showcasing new perspectives. Digital content, social media has also helped in formation of communities to fight against such indiscrimination. Poetry enables the expression of emotions that might otherwise be hard to express. The above survey shows how people not only think that it's wrong to pass offensive comments, but also confront them to make them feel better.
Oh, now I understand. I think I should be more empathetic towards other people.
Rohit, why don't you explain her some of the benefits?
Sure. Every culture is unique, but when all these cultures come together, we stand strong. Various companies have now started promoting so culturally diverse environment in their workplaces, like Nike, Johnson & Johnson, Kellogg's, etc., because it enhances innovation and promotes growth. How would you feel if you're excluded from a group just because your culture is different? So having a feeling of inclusion for everyone will make them even more productive and help them live with dignity. They won't have to think that, oh, do I have to be my, they always have this question, am I myself or I'm just acting someone? And it can also help us achieve so many SDGs. The survey which we conducted puts a question before us that are we actually culturally diversified or culturally divided? Disclaimer, the following content can growl your stomach, can make your stomach growl and flood your mouth with water. So viewers' discretion is advised. Imagine you're at a fat Indian wedding buffet. You grab a plate for yourself. And now I'm used to eating roti sabzi at home. So without that, my stomach doesn't fill up. This is just like the culture you've been brought up in. Wherever you go, you can't forget it. Now, as I go forward in the buffet, I see various other things and adapt what I like. And now look, how beautiful and tasty my plate looks. I'm really hungry. Now, where there are various people around you. Some may just have something light and some may have the entire buffet on the plate. But does that bother you? You may not like each and every item in the buffet, but will you go and fight like, oh, bhai, kyun? Ye cheez kyun hai is buffet mein? No, You don't, then why not similar with cultures? Adapt what you like, and that's how you make a culture for yourself. Live and yes, and this is how you can have a peaceful life and a happy meal. Live and let live. We may not ask for tolerance, but what we may ask from you is, sorry, we may not ask from you for acceptance, but we may ask from you for tolerance.
Liberated into pieces, independent but separated. It holds its diversity close to its heart. Uncountable languages, but people are one. So many religions, a place for everyone.
Regional conflicts are not here to stay. Love, die, fellow beings, it's what we say.
Politicians do play cruel, sacrificing innumerable lives.
With greed for power, in the end, unity is something that survives.
Love cannot die, neither can be killed. We are united no matter how diverse. Because loving your own culture doesn't mean hating someone else's. Thank you.
Is it time to go? I mean, can I start? I'm a little bit in shock also. Like, I don't even know where to begin. But I made some points because I didn't want to go all over the place. So, I mean, if I was texting this, I would be writing it all in capitals. I freaking loved it. It was insane. You guys managed to cover such a massive range without sacrificing depth. And initially, I think I had to turn off my video because I'm not even being filmy here. I choked up. I had tears in my eyes. I was like, oh my God, they really listened. They really listened. And that stereotypes, showing it rather than saying it, having those comments said by people from those communities and how you did it. Oh my God, what an opening. And then I think each of you also in your own ways have leveled up. You'll have put in the effort of developing your presentation style. And truly, like that evolution from presentation 1 to now, the 5th one, I mean, it's showing. So you guys, first of all, kudos, because the range that you have covered, taking it from like a comment on the media and its role, but then flipping it and saying, lekin positive ka kya? And then before we're like, wait, what? Then social media, then this, then that. And then the food analogy, that stole my heart completely. And I feel like the message that was consistently being conveyed was of tolerance, assimilation. So I really feel like you all did the show, don't tell, show, and I feel that there was no tiny violin playing. Like you all were not trying to create this, cry. No, you all just did it. And I was like, so yeah, that's, if I had to sum up my reaction. Yeah, you guys have already won this contest. I'm sorry. I mean, from my side, I give you guys full points on every aspect. I can't think of any criticism, honestly. I am very proud of you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Yes, I agree with everything what Simona ma'am said. At this juncture, at this age, you people dealing with this topic so sensitively, not going overboard, at the same time emphasizing on every important aspect, emotional, social, political. I mean, you have covered everything of it, all the aspects of it. I was also in awe of the presentation. I was just, sorry, Pranav sir, I saw your message very late because I was so engrossed, और खत्म होने तक मैं so देख ही रही थी कि क्या हो रहा है, what's happening. And so wonderful presentation. Really, you need a lot of maturity to deal with this topic. And you people showing this maturity, my God, I have learned today, I have learned a lot from today. Amazing job. Well done. Hats off to you. So as Pranav sir said, I agree with him. A standing ovation to all of you. Very well done. I'm really proud of you guys. You made us all, I mean, me personally, very happy. And yes, I agree that buffet plate analogy was excellent. I was just, very well done. Proud of you. Excellent. Well done, guys.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
So I say it as supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. So that was superb. So who did the burp, by the way? Who was the one who did the burp?
It's a sound effect. Sound effect.
Oh, no, sound effect, yeah. Oh my God, I thought it was Chirag. I was supposed to ask you, क्या खा के आया इसके पहले करके?
Gone hiding. Chirag is gone hiding, huh? Okay, so
No, I'm actually a network issue and there is no light in my place. Light also went.
Woo! Really scary. Okay, so
You're timing it.
So what I love the best is your presentation. As usual, I'm a big fan of your presentation, the way it kind of animated, picked up the plane and swoosh, it went off into the next slide. Amazing. So I really kind of like the flow, the energy, the spacing. So as I said, this one word says it all. And I agree totally with Simona and Smith and whatever is Bhavi going to say now. So good luck and all the best as well. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
बचा क्या कुछ मेरे लिए बोलने को but it was an awesome presentation. हाँ आप भी हो लेकिन तो फिर साथ में बोल देते honestly guys floored, absolutely awestruck and couldn't have expected anything more, or I don't even know कि कब खत्म हुआ कब शुरू हुआ. It was seamless, totally seamless, and your PPT was too good. Every aspect was chote nuances were also taken care of, and the way it transitioned was superb. What you guys brought to the table was simply superb. So पता नहीं मतलब क्या बोलूं, I don't know. I'm thinking for words कि तारीफ भी कितने कर सकते, like you know अभी तारीफ के लिए भी words कहाँ से लाऊं. So I'm at loss of words to even you know praise you guys. इतना अच्छा presentation. So overall I don't know, 10 on 10 से कुछ ज़्यादा दे सकते हैं क्या प्रणवेश सर? नहीं. No, fantastic presentation. Abhi, just keep up where you guys have reached and maintain your level. Don't allow your energies or anything to dip to anywhere lower than where you are. मतलब इससे आगे बढ़ना है आपको, and I don't know, you guys will just, what you all will do with your lives, stay connected with us and let us know what you guys land up with. We would be really interested to know कि ये बच्चे कहाँ गए, मतलब बच्चे तो नहीं बोल सकते जो presentation आपने किया वो हिसाब से, but yeah, we would definitely want to know that, you know, what paths you guys are carving for yourself. Amazing. Great presentation, guys. Great. Thank you. I'll leave the rest for Pranavesh, नहीं तो बोलेगा कुछ बोलने को छोड़ा नहीं.
Okay, so I want all the judges to please stand up for them.
Thank you so much, sir, ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Number 1, spellbound. Number 2, the peak of the mountain. Number 3, the best presentation in the entire season. The best presentation in the entire season, I could say. 3 words. Second, ये लोगों का ग्रुप ऐसा है ना कि अरे ये है क्या, अच्छा ठीक है चलो ठीक है कोई बात नहीं, हम आके छक्के छुड़ा के चले जाएंगे. ओके, ये 36 का स्कोर है क्या, 6 बॉल पे छक्के उड़ाने, ठीक है हम लोग ने 36 भी मार दिए स्कोर. प्राची was like, boss, it is my home ground. It's like a Sachin Tendulkar or a Virat Kohli. हाँ सेंचुरी है ना, ठीक है ट्रिपल सेंचुरी मार के चली जाऊंगी, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. एक भी फ्लॉज अगर मैं इस प्रेजेंटेशन में किसी को निकालने बोल दूं और किसी ने निकाल लिया, हार जाऊं मैं. It's the best. Okay, so that's what Bhavi ma'am said कि यार loss of words, actually loss of words. And I was like पहले ऐसे था फिर ऐसे हो गया फिर ऐसे हो गया, मतलब गिर तो नहीं जाऊं ना कहीं भी. But amazing, whatever you guys did was amazing. And I want to just say one thing: fly high, stay grounded. Now Delantas, you have made a benchmarking of yourself. You have done one thing, that is you have scored 105. For a matter on 100, or if I can say 10, you have scored 12. But you can't get dropped out below 12. Now you have made a Delanter's mark. Okay, एक Delanter's presentation बोलते हैं ना जिसको, कि एक patent बोलते हैं जिसको हम लोग. So this is a Delanter's patent that you have made. You can't get down of this. Okay, so thank you so much for this amazing, lovely, spellbound movie altogether, and I'm amazed. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir.
We're so glad you loved the food plate. It was all Rohit's idea, and we would like to thank him. Yes, sir.
I just have to say it was a collective effort. Literally,
Oh, so humble.
Rohit,
रोहित ले दे रहे तो ले लेना, इतना humble होना भी अच्छा नहीं है.
we sat for 4 hours to make that one plate.
That's
altogether.
it.
So,
But the idea matters. So
Ideas
Rohit-
matter.
Yeah. So
ठीक है, don't take any credit. I'll take all the
You
credit.
deserve the biggest credit. You
Yes,
deserve
ma'am.
the
Biggest credit.
You're welcome.
Simona is on cloud 9.
You know, I'll say one thing. This is risk taking. You know, you took up the topic which was very risky.
Exactly.
Because it could have gone on a very wrong side
Yes,
also. So
yes,
biggest
totally,
risk in life is not to take the risk. I think Shivkhera or whoever must have said, I don't remember the names who said, but I remember the crux, kya important message hai, okay? So that is what you guys did. You took up the topic. It was a risk, and your risk paid off wonderfully well. Wonderfully well.
Very well delivered.
Yes, no doubt about it.
Well delivered. The message was conveyed. वो यहाँ
About Delanters, I always like this thing. They have a compassionate element always added to their presentation. I have seen even animal testing, then the previous one. You always touch upon the different aspects. So it's not very technical, humane. All the aspects are added to it, which actually touches the heart of the judges or the audience around you. So always keep that humane quality intact in you always throughout the life. You know, that is what is missing nowadays, and you people have to ensure that it is carried forward in all the aspects of life, and you keep having a positive impact on the people around you.
So true, so true.
Thank you.
I was
Thank
very
you so much.
scared that I was very scared that the style of the sessions, both the mentoring sessions, I was afraid that maybe I didn't give you all enough. Like I kept asking you all, tum bolo, tum socho, tum samjho. Like, and now I was thinking, shit, did I let them down, whatever? But after seeing these two presentations, just to 50%, I'm like, yeah, forget cloud 9. I don't feel like I'm high. I think I'll be floating now after it's not working. Today's not the day for working.
It's okay, Simona. We know that you're so good mentor here. It's okay, Simona.
That's what the reason when that what does culture mean for us? The very first question on the first day was that, Nikki, what is culture according to you? So that's why Rohit come up with this whole idea कि हम अपनी side से it's individual. So that's why. So that was whole credit. The biggest credit deserves to you.
Thank you all for joining us today and making this final episode a successful one. It has been a great journey so far for all of us, and we have learned a lot throughout this journey. Good luck to everyone. Keep in touch, stay tuned, and keep watching Connect Talks, collaborate, co-create, contribute. Thank you so much.